What's up everybody, this is Mike. Hopefully you guys are doing well and you're staying safe at home. The idea of today's video is going to be something very quick that I want to announce and share with you guys, because recently one of my subscribers suggested an idea which I think is really cool. And the idea basically is that you guys can send me some of your best drone photos that you have ever taken, the ones that you are particularly proud of. And you send them to the email that I will be writing here on the screen right now and also in the description. And in exactly 48 hours from now, on Wednesday 4 p.m. GMT, I will be live streaming here on YouTube, editing these photos in Lightroom. I think the idea is quite cool and I really want to make it happen, so hopefully you guys will be on board for that. And you will send me some of your best drone shots, because I really think letting somebody else edit your photos is going to give you guys another perspective of things. Maybe you'll learn a few things watching somebody else work on your photos, and it's also going to be very interesting for me to work on somebody else's photos, people with different perspective, different ideas, different locations. I think it's going to be interesting. So with that being said, take care guys, all the best, and I hope I see you in exactly 48 hours from now in my live video. Ciao.